Welcome back, everybody. My name is Tank. Today we're talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and Solana. I'll be giving you guys my thoughts about where we are in the market as well as where I think we might be going in the short to near future. Before I jump into the charts, let me first remind you guys I do have a giveaway happening on this channel where I will be giving away a free 50-inch flat screen TV to one lucky subscriber once we hit 1,000 subs. So if you guys want to be supportive or you guys just want to get in on that giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I'm just going to jump straight into Bitcoin's 4-hour time frame using Insight as my primary oscillator and indicator tool and give you guys my 2 cents about what I'm seeing on the charts, guys. And I'm going to be honest with you, I don't like what I'm seeing. I told you guys that opinion yesterday and it still stands true today. I don't like what's unfolding for Bitcoin's price. Recent price action does not look strong. Matter of fact, I showed you guys yesterday this bearish symmetrical triangle, and of course we broke to the downside. We rallied a little bit because with every dump there's a pump, but honestly, if you guys zoom in on this pattern, you can see that we got rejected off the 50 MA on previous candles, and we also got rejected off which was once support on this triangle and is now acting as resistance for us, guys. That's not a good look in the short to near future for Bitcoin. And if we were going to be making these moves to the upside like a lot of people are predicting and recapturing $50,000 and beyond, we need to start making like really strong sticky moves like yesterday. Honestly, guys, we're running out of time, and if we don't start picking up the pace and making these strong moves to the upside, I highly doubt that we're going to actually break even $50,000. Like if we were to be doing it, we had many scenarios in recent price action to where Bitcoin had momentum on its side, and we were closer to that $49,000, $50,000 price point, and we still couldn't do it back then. Again, I know things take time. I shared it with you guys in previous videos that the last time we were at $50,000, it took us like 7 days for us to do that. If we measure out the last time we reached there to where we are now, we're right at 8 days, guys. So the last time we were there at $50,000, we by this time broke it to the upside. We're still not doing that. So again, if patterns don't repeat themselves but come close to rhyming, you know, we need to start rhyming real soon in order for that to stay true. Right now, it doesn't look like that's what it wants to do. It looks like it's clearly to the downside. Matter of fact, if I show you on Insight, the lower section of the charts, you can see that the RSIs are clearly pointing back down. We have a sell signal right here on the 4-hour time frame. If we go to the 3-hour time frame, let me take this off real quick. If we go to the 3-hour time frame, you can see that's probably going to be the same. Yep, RSI is pointing back down, sell signal. 2-hour time frame, same thing. Sell signal. That's not good, guys. That's not good. If we were to be turning things around, we need to really turn it around. Now, on the 1-hour time frame, the RSIs are trying to round back up. It needs to carry on through to the 4-hour and then to the higher time frames as well in order for us to do that. Right now, I don't really see us gaining that traction and momentum, guys. We've been rejected off this resistance line, and now that the now that the resistance line and this 50 EMA are pinching together here, in the next couple of hours right here on the 4-hour time frame, that's going to be a really strong signal to dump again, guys. I don't like that. I don't like the setup. I'm not trying to scare you guys or be overly bearish, but I'm just being honest about what I'm seeing in the charts. And I promise you guys that's what I would always do, is give you guys honest, unbiased opinions about what I'm currently seeing. Now, hopefully I'm wrong and things start turning around and we actually do capture $50,000. But unless we start making these strong moves to the upside here shortly, and I mean like today, I highly doubt it. The more and more time we go doing what we're doing, the less and less likely it is that we actually make that move. Now, I know a lot of people are going to argue like we're going to have a blow off top and all this other stuff. You really think that we're going to just skyrocket past 50, past 60, past 70, 80, all these big levels of resistance and get to $100,000 by the way Bitcoin has been acting? I don't think so. Things need to turn around, and I want to be mistaken. But if things don't turn around, I'm not convinced. I took moves yesterday to where in my portfolio, no matter what happens, whether we dump, we go sideways, or we pump, I'll be in a good position. I won't take a loss. I suggest that you guys also practice proper risk management per your levels, not financial advice. Just, think about it. But that's what I'm seeing right now for Bitcoin, guys. On Ethereum, it's just another day in ETHville, guys. We're trading within support and resistance, testing resistance and getting rejected right now. If we go to the lower section of the charts, RSIs are pointing back down. On the 4-hour, 3-hour, same thing. On the 2, we got a buy signal and the RSI is coming back down. 1-hour time frame, looking like it's trying to curve back up, but it needs to carry on over to the higher time frames, much like Bitcoin, guys. ETH doing great though, guys. Like I said, previously. I know these alts are pushing the market up as far as the market cap goes, but please realize profits when they're there to be realized. They can be taken from you as quickly as they were given to you guys, especially if Bitcoin wants to take a dump and wants to go poo-poo. Guess what? The rest of the market's going with it. Bitcoin is the market mover. It's the big influencer. No matter what you believe as far as your altcoin goes, no matter how strong it is, all this other stuff, until it's strong enough to grow legs and stand on its own, the way it's always been is Bitcoin moves, the rest of the market moves. The way it currently is Bitcoin moves, the rest of the market moves. And until it's proven otherwise, that's the way it's going to be, guys. So keep that in mind. Right now, it looks like it wants to take a poo-poo. Not saying that's necessarily what's going to happen, but I'm just saying that's what it looks like. On ADA, using 4-hour time frame, you can see that we're still above the 50 EMA. And honestly, I have such a big bag of ADA. I mean, I have a lot of ADA, guys. I have a long, bigger time horizon as well. Until this 50 EMA gets broken, I'm not worried. I'm not even worried if it does get broken, but just putting it out there for all you traders and day traders and all that stuff. Until that 50 EMA is broken, I'm not too concerned. Smart contracts come out on the 12th. Even with that, there's going to be people selling off. There's going to be a lot of volatility. It's like that whenever new development happens for technology, guys. Whenever there's an update or fork or whatever it is, people will sell it. And that's smart. That's healthy, guys. People are going to do that. It's an everyday thing in the market, guys. So don't get shook out if you guys believe in ADA long term. Again, I'm just kind of just sitting back, letting it happen. I'm not too shook. It could go all the way down to $2 for all I care. I'm a 5-10 year holder of ADA. Eventually, we'll start seeing higher price points, and you know that'll be that. And we won't even think about what's happening right now. But for all you day traders, all you people that can't lose that money, and in my opinion, you shouldn't even be investing and or day trading if you can't lose this money. RSIs are pointing downwards on the 4-hour time frame for ADA. We do have a sell signal as well. On 3-hour time frame, same thing, sell signal. RSIs are coming back down. 2-hour time frame, same thing. 1-hour time frame, looking like it's trying to flatten out for the RSIs, but I wouldn't front run that just yet, guys. Everything right now is showing us downward pressure. Solana, the big mover, the one that everybody's all happy about, has been pumping. Again, well above the 50 EMA. I do think that if we come down, we could find support on the 50 EMA here. If it does not, let's pull out our Fibonacci retracement tool and measure this move to the upside out. Guys, we've been pumping so hard. Let's go to the 4-hour, make this easier. We've been pumping so hard on Solana. And I'm going to be covering it more often because I have a very big bag of Solana as well. Solana from the pump to the top. If we don't catch a rally and or some kind of support, the next line to look out for would be that 0.786 Fibonacci line as support. Maybe we catch something here at about $1.06 to $1.07. If that doesn't hold up, we can come all the way down here to the 0.618, which would be about $90. Honestly, we've rallied so hard that if this new big announcement that Solana has doesn't like really fulfill every bull's needs, we could see a really big sell-off and come all the way down to that 0.5 Fibonacci line, which would be right around $76. I suspect like $80 would probably hold up, but realistically, we could come down to there, which would be a good level of support for Solana, guys. That's what I'm seeing in the short to near future. I'm a big long holder of Solana. So again, the volatility on the micro time frames, I'm not phased by it. I mean, it can do whatever it wants. It can come down here to the 70 line. I'll just buy more. And then again, even better, if it comes all the way back down, I'll just buy some more there. But that's what I'm seeing for all you traders and all you smaller time frame people. That's what I'm seeing in the short to near future. Again, my opinion is if Bitcoin doesn't start turning it around, guys, we could see the market turn itself around and this run be over. There's a lot of things that are actually happening outside of the markets that you guys also need to be aware of as far as world events. Those things have a big to do with how the markets are, guys. People who are investing, whether it be in stocks and or crypto, when things start turning in the world to the downside, they're going to do like we saw the last time it happened, guys. They're going to be taking profits and protecting their assets. They're going to be getting out of their investments and protecting themselves, because we saw what happened here, right? I can't really, hopefully you guys are catching my drift because YouTube doesn't like people talking about it apparently. But that's what happened the last time, guys. And you guys don't want to be holding the bags all the way down here. That sucks. Just like what happened here. It sucks, guys. If the markets and the charts are all showing you things, don't ignore it just because you want to see higher price points. The market doesn't care what you want. It's going to do what it wants. And it's your job to see the signals and signs ahead of the movements. So that's what I see. That's what I wanted to show you guys today. Hopefully this helps some of you guys get in profits, realize profits, or at least stop the losses from being so bad. I'm not saying that's going to happen. Of course, like I said, I want me to be wrong. I want this to turn around and us actually see higher price points quickly. But again, until that happens, guys, that's my realistic view of the market right now. Hopefully I'm wrong. But as always, stay safe. Subscribe to the channel because I don't know if I said it earlier, guys. We do have a giveaway happening on this channel where I'm giving away a 50-inch flat screen TV to one lucky subscriber once we hit 1,000 subs. But stay in profits. Don't overextend. Remain blessed. Peace.